page?
Page 472. So in the Ben Ishrai, Shana Shnia, Parasha Vaishlach. So it's on Ilchot Dibur Marshavat Beshabbat. Okay, Vayomer Elohim El Yaakov Kumale Bet El Vease Sham Mizbeach Lael Anir E Elecha. So it's when Hashem asked. So it's when Yaakov has to do a mizbeach. You know what is a mizbeach? A korban. הנה, נודע, דקיבלו רבותינו זיכרונם לברכה, שאמר לו הקדוש ברוך הוא בזה, ליעקב אבינו ועליו השלום, שכל הצער בא לו בעניין דינה, היה בעבור דאחר נדרו, ונתעכב בדרך ללא צורך. ועל כן אמר לו, שימהר לעלות בית אל לקיים נדרו. So he said that, the Chachamim say, that all the hard time, all the din that Yaakov received, it was because he did a neder. You know what is a neder? A promise, yeah. That is going to make this korban, this mizbeach, and so he said, I'm going to do that, to do this korban, and he didn't do it right away. Okay? He said it, and he didn't do it right away. So that's why it's written that he has to go fast to Bet El in order to do it. And from here, we learn a musar, something very strong. שאם יעקב אבינו עליו השלום בכיר שבאבות, נענש כל כך על איחור הנדר שנדר בפיו, that if Yaakov Avinu, who is one of the three avot, has been punished because he didn't do his neder right away when he said it, he did it later. ולא הגה נא עליו צדקתו להציל מן העונש, and even if he was such a tzaddik, he was punished. That means, even if, même s'il était un tzaddik, le fait qu'il soit tzaddik ne l'a pas écarté de la punition. Even if he was a tzaddik, Hashem gave him a punishment. And what is it? שכל שכן וכל שכן שאר אדם שצריך להישמר ולהיזהר בעניינים אלה, שלא יקל בדיבורו שיוציא מפיו בענייני הקודש. And it said that everyone has to be very, very careful to keep and this subject, that if he's saying something in his mouth of something like of kodesh, of mitzvah, he has to do it right away when he said it. Like, for example, I don't know, I want to do shacharit this morning. So you said it, you did a neder, and you didn't do it now. You do it like in 2 hours. It's not good. You can be punished. The koach hadibur, the strong of the
power of the
talking
of the words
is very strong. Even Yaakov has been punished because he said, I'm going to give a korban, and he didn't do it right away. He waits for something, and then he went to Bethel, and then he did it. Even if he did it this time, because of this time, it's written in Midrash Tanchuma, that it's written that he has been punished because of that. We are talking about just divrei kodesh, like mitzvot or Torah that you want to do Or you say I'm going to now I'm going to light 3 candles, and you don't do it, you just do 2. Or you say I'm going to give tzedakah, but you don't give today, you give it tomorrow. Okay, ולכן שלמה
But when
המלך.
you say I'm going to give tzedakah, you didn't say I'm going to give tzedakah today.
So
if you say I will give tzedakah today, but you will give it only tomorrow, I understand. But if you say okay, I'm going to.
But even Yaakov didn't say when he wants to give the korban. It's not written.
So if you don't say, it's assumed that you must do it immediately.
Yeah, it's assumed. If you don't want to do it today, say I'm going to give tzedakah tomorrow. Or you say bli neder.
Bli neder
Bli neder means without neder, without.
Without promise.
That's why everyone say I'm going to do this. Bli
Yes,
neder.
because something can happen that
Of
you
course.
don't control. I don't know. You can go to give tzedakah and fell and break a leg. I don't know.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah. So, but I think here we also want to see what is the power of the words you say. Okay, let's continue. ולכן שלמה המלך עליו השלום אמר בקהלת. So Shlomo said in קהלת, אל תבהל על פיך וליבך, אל ימהר להוציא דבר לפני האלוהים, כי האלוהים בשמיים ואתה על הארץ, על כן יהיו דבריך מעטים. כאשר תדור נדר לאלוהים, אל תאחר לשלמו, אל תיתן את פיך לחצי את בשעריך, ואל תאמר לפני המלאך כי שגגה היא. So Shlomo HaMelech wrote in Kohelet that don't say a word too fast in front of God, like you want to do something for God, because Hashem is in the sky and you are on earth. So it's not, you're not doing it, and you're not doing it like Hashem is doing everything. You what you do is like very little, and don't say a neder if you're going to do it later. Don't say it. Maybe think it, but don't say it. It's the words that you
Are creating.
Yeah. Don't give your mouth to do a, comment on dit une faute? Ouais, c'est vrai.
Une faute.
A sin.
A sin, a mistake.
A mistake. Okay. והכוונה. And what is the כוונה? דאינו דומה דיבורו של האדם בעניינים של קדושה לדיבורו בעניינים של חול. So the word.
Oh my God, what is that? What is it? Your word?
It's ice cream.
Oh my God.